Ano-anong mga tindang te? Lugaw,
Paano ba yan?
sopas,
148 plus 25. 173.
ay duglog pala. Ito. Yun, paborito ko. Ito nga, te. This is what we call kusilbang kamoting kahoy. It is cassava that the skin looks like wood bark. That is why it's called kamoting kahoy. And kahoy is wood. It's sweet and soft. Sometimes it's hard. But it's delicious.